Ever wondered how to use a stop limit or stop loss on Binance? In this guide, we'll explain these important trading tools and show you how to use them effectively to protect your investments and manage risks while trading crypto. A stop loss is a tool that helps you limit your losses by automatically selling a cryptocurrency when its price reaches a certain level. Similarly, a stop limit is a more specific type of order that gives you even greater control over the price at which your asset is sold. Both are designed to help prevent emotional decision-making during market volatility and provide protection for your trades. To use a stop loss on Binance, the first step is to log into your Binance account and navigate to the spot trading section. From there, choose the cryptocurrency pair you're trading, for example, BTC, USDT, and you'll be taken to the trading interface where you can place your orders. Once you're in the trading interface, locate the stop limit order type on the order form. A stop limit order consists of two parts: the stop price and the limit price. The stop price is the trigger point, and once the price of the asset hits its value, the limit price comes into play. The limit price is the price at which you are willing to sell your crypto. In simple terms, the stop price sets the condition, and the limit price defines the price at which the order will be executed. For example, let's say you want to set a stop loss for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is currently priced at $50,000, you may want to set a stop price at $48,000. Once Bitcoin hits $48,000, the stop limit will trigger, and your sell order will be placed at your limit price, for example, $47,500. This ensures that even if the market price drops rapidly, you won't sell for anything lower than $47,500. It helps you avoid significant losses by controlling the minimum price you're willing to accept. To set up a stop loss or stop limit order, click on the stop limit option in the order form. Then, fill in the stop price and limit price fields as well as the amount of crypto you want to sell. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the sell button to place the order. It's important to note that while a stop limit order offers more precision and control, it doesn't guarantee execution if the price drops rapidly and bypasses your limit price. In such cases, your order may not be filled, and you can still face larger losses than expected. This is why some traders prefer using a market order or a more flexible stop loss order to ensure their position is liquidated immediately once the stop price is triggered. In conclusion, using a stop limit or stop loss on Binance is an essential part of risk management in crypto trading. These tools give you the ability to set predefined exit points, ensuring that you protect your investments and avoid excessive losses. While they don't guarantee perfect outcomes, they help reduce emotional decision-making and keep your trades on track. By following the steps outlined above, you can easily place a stop limit order and manage your trades more effectively.